Take a ride in the 2013 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.